Good afternoon, dear students. Myself, Jagjit Kaur Master. Today, I am going to deliver my lesson on the topic International Labour Day. It is a part of the activities described by our Cultural and Education Cell, Director School Education, Jammu. So, dear students, you know International Labour Day is celebrated in every year on 1st May. Labor Day has its origin in the labor union movement in the United States in the 19th century. In 1889, the Marxist International Socialist Congress adopted a resolution for a great international demonstration in which they demanded that workers should not be made to work for more than 8 hours a day. After this, it became an annual event. The movement sprang up in Britain from where the Industrial Revolution has started. Dear students, Industrial Revolution जब स्टार्ट हुई इंग्लैंड में तो आपको पता ही है कि जो सारा काम जो था it started with the machines and hand work was stopped and the machine work started, which in where the most of the factories, industries were established in Europe, and the condition of the workers, because they have to work continuously in the machines, with the machines continuously working, they have to work for 12 to 14 hours, and their condition had become very bad. So working condition also, it led to the health problems to the workers. The workers, they had no safe conditions to live, they had no safe water to drink, so they were in very bad conditions. You know, students, a worker is a creator and great asset to our nation. एक वर्कर जो है वही सारा काम जो है वो उसी के सहारे सारा काम होता है. If we say that students are reading in the education institutions, and who has made these institutions? Who has worked? This is the great effort of our workers, of our laborers. So, Labor Day is promoted by the labor movement, which is a movement for the collective organization of the working people. International Labor Day is celebrated on May 1st all over the world. It is a celebration of laborers and working class. And the laborers now they asked the government that they will not work for the 14 hours, they will work only for 8 hours a day. They also demanded that working hours should be fixed up to 8 hours and they should get facilities as safe drinking water, as health aid should be given to them. They should also be given some pension after the retirement, or being injured they should get some aid. There were many problems of the workers, so it was a movement which exploded at the world level. The International Labour Organization, ILO, International Labour Organization, which is an organization of the UNO, part of the UNO, United Nations का जो part है, it deals with the labor issues, जो labours के issues में के साथ deal करता है, and it works towards the raising standards of the labourers across the world. ILO जो है, International Labour Organization, it is working for the welfare of the labour class and the worker class. In India, Labor Day is a national holiday. लेबर डे जो है इंडिया में भी एक नेशनल हॉलीडे इस दिन मनाया जाता है 1 मई को. द फर्स्ट लेबर डे वाज सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया इन 1923 इन चेन्नई. दिस डे वाज ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय द लेबर किसान पार्टी ऑफ हिंदुस्तान. दिस डे इज आल्सो नोन एज कामगार दिवस, एंड अंतर्राष्ट्रीय श्रमिक दिवस इन इंडिया. तो ये जो लेबर्स थे, इनकी हालत बड़ी ख़राब थी। इसका आज मेन यही है, इनकी कंडीशंस बहुत ख़राब थी। जब इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन के बाद वर्कर्स को काम 24 आवर्स 14 आवर्स तक काम करवाया जाता था, तो वो बेचारे जब घर जाते थे उनको रहने के लिए सही तरीके से उनकी जगह भी नहीं होती थी। एक एक कमरे में, दिस वाज नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, इट वाज आल्सो इन द यूरोप। तो वो एक एक रूम होता था, यहाँ वहाँ पे 20-20 व्यक्ति जो हैं, दे ट्राई टू लिव देयर, दे हैव नो वॉशिंग फैसिलिटीज़ एंड वो जो थे वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बीमार पड़ने लगे, जिसके कारण लेबर डे जो है बाद में इन्होंने अपनी डिमांड्स रखी, और अब उनकी डिमांड्स मानने के बाद वो थोड़ा उनको जो है वो रिलैक्स किया गया है। सो I understand that you may have understood this lesson.
Good morning to all. My name is Sia Verma. I am from Government Higher Secondary School, Kannashirkal. Today I am going to tell you about International Labour Day. The origins of Labour Day dates back to the United States of America's past, when workers went on a national strike to protest against injustice and hardships. Finally, the 8-hour workday was accepted as a global standard and several countries adopted it. The commemorations of Labor Day begin as a remembrance of the day when the American labor unions were successfully in their demonstrations. Every year on May 1st, India commemorates Labor Day. The social and economic contributions of workers are honored on this day. The day is observed to recognize the commitment and contribution of the working class to the nation's growth. Labor unions mark the day with parades and parties in which they express their grievances and complaints to authorities. The day is also important for laborers' rights to be protected and for them to express their demands to the organization and the government. Labor Day has been declared a national holiday in India. In Chennai, the first Labor Day was observed in 1923 on May 1st. More than 80 countries observe International Workers' Day, also known as May Day. The United States of America and Canada, on the other hand, observe Labor Day on the first Monday in September. The day honors the hard work and accomplishments of the working class. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम कनिका ठाकुर है और मैं क्लास 6 में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं गवर्नमेंट हाई सेकेंडरी स्कूल कन्नाशरगाल में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आपको इंटरनेशनल लेबर डे के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ। 2020 अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मजदूर दिवस को इंटरनेशनल लेबर डे और श्रमिक दिवस के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पर्व के पूरे विश्व भर से मनाया जाता है। ये पर्व हर साल 2 मई को मनाया जाता है। मजदूर हमारे समाज में बहुत महत्व है, उनसे ही हमारे समाज में बहुत महत्व है, उनसे ही हमारे समाज की सारी टिकी हुई है। आज के समय की आधुनिक मशीनरी के युग में भी उनका ही महत्व काम नहीं हुआ है। आज के इस पोस्ट में हम आपके लिए मजदूर दिवस पर निबंध, इन हिंदी मजदूर दिवस पर निबंध आदि की जानकारी देंगे। विश्व भर में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मजदूर दिवस 1 मई के दिन मनाया जाता है। किसी भी देश की तरक्की उस देश के किसानों तथा कामगारों, मजदूरों, कारीगर पर निर्भर होती है। एक मकान को खड़ा करने और सहारा देने के लिए जिस तरह मजबूती की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका होती है, ठीक वैसे ही किसी समाज, देश, उद्योग, संस्था, व्यवसाय को खड़ा करने के लिए कारीगरों, कर्मचारियों को विशेष भूमिका होती है। वर्ष 1886 में 4 मई के दिन शिकागो शहर में का मार्केट चौक पर मजदूरों का जमावड़ा लगा हुआ था। मजदूरों ने उस समय आम हड़ताल की हुई थी। हड़ताल का मुख्य कारण मजदूरों से बेहिसाब
Good afternoon. I am Nilakshi of 9th class of School Government Higher Secondary School Karnasharkal. Today my topic is International Labour Day. Labour Day is celebrated in India on May 1st every year. The day is celebrated to the social and economic to honor the dedication and contribution of the working community to the growth of the nation. Labor unions celebrate the day with birthdays and parties that address their issues and concerns to the authorities. This day is celebrated also significant for preserving and the rights of laborers and expressing their demands to the organization and the government. The day of the Labour's Day started from the history of the United States of America, where the laborers went on a big nationwide strike to express their inequalities and hardship. Labor Day observance started as a remembrance of the day in which the American Labour's Union succeeded in their protest. Thank you.